I'm here with
Yo mama! Oh!
the famous Kaden Copenhagen. Actually, I wasn't talking about you. You don't have 1,000 subscribers on YouTube.
Chase makes his own entrance.
He's cracking himself up too. And it's taken like 23 minutes to get this sheet on the bed.
It did not take 23 minutes, it took 15.
That's still really bad. Chase, I'm keeping that in the vlog. It's definitely a good thing you're not going to be do it for the vlog. Start with DQ.
DQ. Resort. Resort.
DQ?
Okay, Grady, you do it. DQ.
We could have went to Dairy Queen and back like 2 times if we would have just gone.
DQ. Resort. You're breathing. DQ. Resort.
Yes, Grady, we're doing a natural thing.
Is it resort or DQ?
I think it's DQ. I can't tell.
Okay, then let's just go.
Chase, sweep up that. Yeah, pay attention.
What's up, guys? Welcome back.
What's up, guys? I'm Kylie. Welcome back to another video.
On something tonight.
Okay, teacher, calm down.
Always laughs in the beginning of the video.
What's up, guys? Yeah, I know. It's like
So I guess we're gonna be holding this.
Come on, it's like that. What's up, guys?
Right
There's a
now
random swinging duck.
we have no gas, but we're going to Dairy Queen.
Hey, we're
We have
on
a little
E
bit of
now.
gas.
Oh, we're back on the gas line.
Yeah,
It's going back and forth. So I don't really know what this video is gonna be.
It'll be something.
Yeah.
It'll be good. Probably not.
And while we drive, we're too poor to pay for music, so I'll be singing.
Okay, that's it for this video. Chase, give us a fit check.
He's got his Walmart oh, no one.
I'll censor it. I'll censor it. Yo, like a fit check, like you have to tell us where everything's from.
This is from a
This is
storage
from Goodwill.
unit from
This is also
a
from
person we
Goodwill.
don't know, so
This is from Amazon, though. And then my shoes are from Goodwill. Because you don't buy
this
socks
is
from
to make
Goodwill.
my abs look bigger than they actually are.
Okay, Kaden.
And these
I
are
have
Caden's
no
pants.
clue. I got these from Goodwill.
Oh, very
I felt
nice.
like
These are Caden's pants and they're way too big for me.
Okay, Kylie.
These pants, Walmart shoes, Walmart shirt, no clue.
Walmart shoes.
Wow.
Wow, you're smart.
This is from B2. These are from Hannah's closet. That's my friend. These were my mom's. And then the jewelry is from a bunch of random things.
Sometimes you find really good things.
So yeah, we'll update you in a moment. This lady's looking at us like
I have a secret about
She
Caden.
looks angry.
she does. Oh my goodness.
Definitely not talking about you.
It like spilled gas when I like pulled up.
No!
Oh,
That's
no.
like
Oh.
That's
Wait.
oh, her intros
What are you
were so
watching?
cringy.
You're so
I'm looking
cringy.
at my old.
Ask us what we want from Dairy Queen.
Your mom.
Hey, stop. Chase, shut up. Chase, Kaden, Grady, Kylie.
I got the money. I bet
What
you
do
can
you
tell that
want?
Kylie's gonna zoom in on my
What
face
do
on
you
that part. Zoom in on my face right now.
Your
Okay.
mom.
What?
This is how it worked. We tried to recreate something funny for you guys, and it's not working.
Suck.
Hey, they should definitely subscribe to me. You should definitely subscribe.
And me.
Yes.
Subscribe to me.
Chase
I
Scoot.
want subscribers.
The channel Chase Scoots will be linked in the description. And if not, dislike the video. I was probably gonna bleep that out. Like, subscribe.
A countdown from 10? What was that?
We're still
You had to hold
recording.
that pose for 10 seconds.
I hope our parents don't see this.
That's fine.
Alright, we can't laugh until we get our ice cream.
Oh, okay.
Okay, but I will be trying to make you laugh.
No.
Guys, I know a secret about Kylie Copenhagen. She was an accident.
So was I.
Oh.
That was timing.
Okay.
Body like a
Oh, yeah, what do you guys want? Oh. What do you want?
Your mom.
This is gonna be the most chaotic video I've ever put on my channel.
This is what people are. This is the equal of what people are gonna say while they watch this video.
A strip of
Okay.
light.
I'd like 2 cakes in a cup. Yeah, okay. She said what's up?
I don't know.
small cookie dough with extra cookie dough, and then. Alright.
$21.
Well,
Thumbnail.
don't you ever wish that?
Hey guys, let's see how long it takes until it falls out.
Mine has whipped cream on it. I'm
It's starting
scared.
to drip.
I'm scared to flip it over. Should I
Guys,
flip
it's
it
starting
over?
to drip.
Oh no, back over. Oh my word. Okay, go.
Look at how he looks on the inside.
Oh, he got it. Go.
Shoot!
No. I was gonna have you do the what's up, guys, with the clap. Okay, ready, go.
What's up, guys? Oh no, there's mystery bubbles again.
Yeah.
Oh, no.
You jerks.
Hey, not me.
Grady, no, I have my phone. Grady, I have my phone. S-O-S. Grady, scream. Let go. Grady, stop. Oh, this is gonna be fun. Hi. Go.
Kylie, I brought you a...
Chase.
Wait, Kylie.
Wait, Chase, he's doing a flip. Oh! I think we got it.
Get in front of the camera. Wait, Kylie, get in front of the camera.
Me?
I brought you a gift. A toad.
It's cute.
Me pee a lot. He just peed all over me. This is pee a lot. And I'm gonna give him to Kylie.
No.
Killed the toad.
Kill it. I just removed it from close to me. Okay.
AK crushed it.
I don't like toads.
Pee a lot. Are you okay?
Go.
I want to throw you in the pond. Don't. Chase.
Be free. Pee a lot.
Chase.
We'll pull it underneath that.
Guys. My.
You guys have to pull it now, slaves.
Guys, I'm drowning.
Chase, don't even say that.
Lifeguard. This is like so out of style.
Yeah.
Where's the lifeguard? Who here thinks there could be a lifeguard?
Grab it. Looks like I'll just have to go back.
Go, guys. Go.
Kaden, if you jump
Alright,
on us,
fine, we'll have a truce
we'll
now.
kill you. Wow. Not
No,
in
if
a
you push
little
me
bit.
out, fine.
We're almost there.
I'm going.
It's like the family.
No, that was let it fish off. Okay, fine.
You are mother.
Are you okay?
I touched the fish.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
I touched the
Your mom.
Oh.
That's so.
Perfect.
You go outside.
Okay, wait, Kylie, wait.
What the heck? You can't even see.
Oh, we can see it. We can see it. Okay.
She wants revenge. Yeah, let's sip it. You go that side, I'll go.
Hey, but it's good. Go.
Go.
Mr.
I know. Just jump right there.
What Hayden did to me last night.
1, 2, 3, jump. Yay, Grady's turn. Do a cannonball. Jade was doing it yesterday.
Watch your language.
Oh, I get to hold. Oh,
Oh,
hi.
we should do A, B, C, D, I love you.
What?
Okay, literally what? Okay, watch.
Yeah, literally what?
Now.
Literally what? She's driving on the wrong side of the road.
There's a car.
We're in England.
Yeah, why is it really?
It's extra dark around your house.
Just the trees, I think.
Guys,
Well, we usually.
do you realize we are going to
She's
stay up past
speeding.
2? Like, there's no way we're going to be asleep
Well,
by
like,
2.
well-
That's not bad. 6.5 hours. I've got.
Well, what time do you usually go to bed?
Bum, bum, bum.
Hey, she
Like
finished tying her
11 or
shoes,
12.
guys.
Okay. So we just stole some gummy worms from Kaden.
Yeah.
Thanks, Kaden.
You're welcome.
Look at the sky. It's so beautiful. All for him right now.
I just got it.
What was that? Okay, if he doesn't, then we can always take some on our way, potentially back.
Out.
Wow, that was aggressive.
Yeah,
I have
that was.
Caden's.
You could've
Caden,
just
I have your
told
life
us.
jacket. True, you could. The salt and vinegar. Okay. We have the. Oh, it's the wrong way, but we have the speaker. That's just you. Caden's now wearing his life jacket. He's
I'm
being a
going to,
rebel.
but I'm trying to do something.
Yeah, you are. Wait, maybe it's really zoomed in. We can zoom it out. Oh, jeez. What if I just let go of this?
Should we bounce it low? Wait.
Kylie,
At least
look.
on my side.
Kaden.
Oh, it fell.
Grady. Nobody's looking at me. Hello. Wave. See ya. Bugs. I can't see you at all. No, he's sleeping now. You can't even see it.
Got a fish, look. Got a fish.
Oh, nice.
How can you tell
job.
the fish is where?
Wait,
Too hot in here.
Is she saying
It'd be hilarious if Chase came out.
Why has my camera all been like this all night? It's been like really grainy. It's been a long time. Who is that?
Over like 2 months.
Should she follow you? I don't know. It's like 1:07. We got back from Spearing and now we're just having deep discussions
About Grady's life.
about Grady's love life.
What?
It's
We
great.
were not talking.
We're waiting for these lights to
We were
turn.
talking about.
We're waiting for the scary
What were we
lights to
talking
turn
about?
off. Wait, should we just keep this on until they turn off?
Sure.
But then you have to shut that light off. Shut that light off.
1 second.
But then we can't
Oh.
see.
Wait, hold on. What should we talk about, guys?
Your mom, I mean.
I was gonna say that.
That should be the title of the video. Your mom. Okay, we're cutting that out.